Miss Mama's Cooking. Anyway, hello at welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. I know it's been a long time since nakashoot tayo. So medyo naging busy lang tayo sa mga personal errands na ginagawa na this past few months. So I apologize for that. So but anyway, Gobi Mrs. Mama's Cooking. So for today, we will just have something very, very simple and very basic. French fries. I know it's very easy. Madali bumili ng frozen. Somehow, balik tayo sa basics kung paano ba gumawa ng French fries using real potatoes. So, see you in the kitchen. Look at your guapo face, kapogi, oh. So for now, like what we said, we'll just have a simple French fries kasi we prepared with 3 dipping sauces. I know napaka-simple ng French fries. Ang bilis bumili ng frozen pack, fry it, but sometimes it's nice to know how to make real ones from real potatoes. So normally, I use the skin. Normally, lahat ng nutrients nandito. In fact, I think yung vet namin, si Dr. Cheng, recommends the skin sometimes ihalo sa dog food. Kasi nga daw, kunyari medyo mainit, normally may heat rash yung dogs namin, haluan ng skin ng potatoes. So it has a lot of nutrients. So we're gonna be using it. That's why, ang ginawa namin, use an old toothbrush. Diba, nag-change yung toothbrush every month, yung iba, every 3 weeks. Yun yung ipagbabrush mo dito para malinis siya. Kasi kung hindi, di maglalasang lupa yung French fries nyo. So let's go. Simple na French fries. Ang dami namin pinagsasabi. Para to make sure my oil. So this is my used oil. So I'm just gonna... Para lang while we're doing our French fries, we're heating it. You know, if you Google French fries, in fact, some culinary schools, there's an extra procedure wherein I think you even put it in the freezer or in the ref and then cool it down. Parang it's like a 4-step procedure. So what I'm doing is definitely an anti-culinary school. I wouldn't say anti, but something sa mga students ko na nanonood sa akin before, thou shall not judge. This is for home cooking. So, of course, you taught them the proper way. But for me, I just want to do somehow maybe a shortcut, you know, especially if you're in a hurry. I use cornstarch to give you that extra crisp, no? And that's when I add my seasonings. So probably I would need, so there. So I will not add it first sa cornstarch, but I will put it here. I would like to use 2 kinds of pepper. Black and white. And then some Himalayan salt. So, sobrang daming arte. But the reason why I also want to show you this is because this kind of procedure, yung kinakoat ko siya with cornstarch and adding seasoning, for those na parang, for example, gusto ng a lower fat diet, friendlier diet na talagang 0 starch, you can actually use zucchini. You can use carrots also if you want. You can use kalabasa. So that's one of the reasons. Of course, sa kalabasa walang balat ha. Ewan ko, try nyo. Sige. But here, so this is like a good size, no? Mabilis mag-fry lang siya. Now that I cut one part, just a little bit of ano, kasi like here, no, it's wobbly. That's why I cut one part. Make it like that para mas stable. So no matter how you ganyan, hindi kayo magkakaroon ng aksidente, hindi kayo mag-emergency room. So if you notice, nagdidikit siya, it's a little bit starchy, no? Potatoes by nature are starchy. For this episode, I'm making French fries. The episode after this, I'm actually making yakiniku sandwich. So medyo bagay siya. So there you go. So, hindi ko alam kung ilang tao kakain dito. Normally, pag we have a cooking demo, nag-i-invite yung husband ko ng mga tao to eat here with him. Kasi I guess napapagod siya na puro siya lang ang nagtataste. But I think today, I'm not sure kung meron siya. Maybe I'll do another potato, no? So again, here, bilog siya. It's not flat. It's wobbly. So you cut one side. Flatten it para hindi siya movable. No? So it applies also when you cut other vegetables. No? There. Okay. So maybe I'm just gonna add more pepper. Black. You can actually add more seasonings if you want, no? Like you can add onion powder if you want. You can even add paprika if you want. No, it's up to you. It's definitely not your favorite fast food French fries, but iba pa rin yung taste ng natural, diba? So why do I add cornstarch, no? I just want that extra layer or that extra crunch. Actually, I don't really have to, but parang feeling ko lang, ang daming water ng patatas. So, gusto ko siya na-absorb, no? Why not flour? Kasi di ba parang, ang potato may potato starch. Kasi ito cornstarch. So, inisip ko lang mas related sila. So, hindi ko alam kung nagme-make sense yun. That's why I thought of it this way. Actually, I did this during the pandemic. Mga palengke ang open, yung grocery hindi naman open. I think si Len was craving for a sandwich ba? Cheese sandwich or something. So he wanted French fries. Wala talaga at that time. So that's when I said, so maybe I'll just make fresh ones. No? And then, of course, sa culinary style na ang tagal-tagal, nagmamadali ka na, di ba? There you go. I'm just coating it. And also, after, no, when you coat it with some cornstarch, it can actually absorb more of the seasoning if you wish. Let me just wash my hands. Kahit French fries lang to, medyo mahaba yung episode nito kasi gagawa ko ng 3 sauces. Okay, I will use this strainer. I know this is a grater, but it can work. You know, I seriously need to look at lahat ng gamit ko dito and to seriously start completing my kitchen. We're just waiting for the oil to heat up. And what sauces am I making? Syempre, ketchup. Kasi gagawin ko lang yung bottle. Di okay na yung ketchup. Tapos yung sunod, we'll probably make garlic aioli. And then the third one will be parang Thousand Island dressing ba yun? Na may konting relish, ketchup, mayonnaise, and relish. So, yun. So, may dipping sauce kang kaartehan, no? Na-miss mo to, no? Ako rin na-miss ko magsalita ng ganito. Sobra ko tong na-miss. Parang it's so nice to be back in the kitchen na hindi ka nagmamadali. The past few months, you will just cook what's just convenient and whatever, you know, you just stir up something. But you don't plan it or you don't think about it. For some reason, today just feels like a relief, you know, that you're cooking. Okay, I think so. Medyo ready na to. Yon. It's sizzling. Can you hear it sizzle? So this is about, some of them are a bit thick. So it's about 5 to 7 minutes frying time. So there. Tapos syempre, pag French fries, ayaw mo naman ng parang sobrang kunat na kumakain ka ng boiled potatoes, right? And that's one of also the reasons why I coated it with cornstarch. Kasi nga, by nature, like if you look at that, I don't know kung kaya mo i-close up. Nakikita mo yung watermark. Hindi ko binasa yung patatas, di ba? You saw me slicing it straight, but gano'n na lang siya talaga kadaming water content. So that's why the cornstarch gives you that extra layer for you to absorb, the water to be absorbed. So let me time it so hindi ko masunog. Start. Okay. The first sauce, ketchup. Kasi, isang ketchup lang, tapos na. As you notice, ang dami kong mayonnaise. So, here, ketchup. Tapos sunod, ketchup. Ketchup. And then, I'm gonna mix some relish. Actually, paano ko ba naisip na itong lulutuin ko sa araw na to? Tumingin ako sa ref ko, anong mga malapit na mag-expire, isa na to. Super lapit na. So, sabi ko, ayun na lang lulutuin ko. See? Ganun lang kadali. O, diba? May 3 sauce na tayo. O. Tapos this one, you can even put hot sauce. O, doon na. Isang malapit na mag-expire. Tabasco. Yeah. Yun. Tapos, ano yung next? Gagawa tayo ng aioli. Dapat in 6 minutes, tapos ka na to kasi matatapos na yung french fries. Ayan. Okay. Oh. Lagyan ko ng konti, garlic. And then this one, I need to add a little bit of lemon. So, para it's easier to squeeze. Because, di ko pa naayos yung kitchen ko, nawawala yung squeezer ko. Yeah. There you go. Squeeze it. Okay, this one is sort of my aioli with my french fries. Masarap when you're watching Netflix. Sounds weird, but it's good, okay? So wait, the secret of the stars. Nor's seasoning. Huwag kayo maingay. Konting-konti lang. Pag kumakain kami sa restaurant, Tapos, nag-order siya ng calamare. Hinihingi ko to kung may Knorr seasoning. So far, walang restaurants gustong umami na ginagamit nila yun. Pero lasang-lasa ko naman sa iba. I'm telling you, it's masarap. Weird as it is, it's very good. Kasi it adds that saltiness. There. Okay. Meron tayong ganito. Maliliit na kutsara. Yan. Wala lang, kaartehan lang. French fries lang yan, ha? O, iniisip ko, di ba, okay na yung pang merienda. So, okay, let's go back. 33 seconds. Look at that. It's extra crispy. And the seasoning is just perfect. So, pati yung balat, no? So, this small one, probably okay na to. So, yan. May extra crunch siya. Now, if you look at her up close, hindi siya yung malungkot na French fries na pag ginagat mo parang boiled. There's an actual crunch to it after. Gusto ko lang i-drain lahat ng oil. That's why linalagay ko siya dyan. Tsaka, huwag kayo judgmental kung bakit grater yan kasi nga, wala na akong strainer. So, while that's there, itong natitira, there you go. Just need to coat a little bit. I'm gonna lower my fire. Parang nagwawala siya, no? Yan. Ganda, no? So nice! You can even use it with chopped parsley or anything. Ito rin, wala pa akong wax paper. I'm so ill-prepared. Walang judgment, ha? Pero I'm sure maganda pa rin yung plating natin. Okay. So while that's there, I will start plating it. Normally, I'll put wax paper. Ill-prepared nga si girl, kaya siya. Oh. Actually, if you taste French fries na home-cooked, it also tastes different kaysa the package bought. Diba? Pack-bought na frozen. Iba rin yung lasa niya. So, it's nice to learn also how to make your own. Kasi normally, when you buy in the grocery, yung French fries, ang lalaki rin ng pack diba? Hindi man nauubos. Ano pa bang ibang vegetables pwede? Kalabasa, I think. Mag-work din ang zucchini. Actually, you should do this with kamote. It's really good. So, it will be very good with kamote. Yun. There you go. Our bistro cut French fries with 3 sauces. Mainit. Ketchup. Tapos ito yung parang Thousand Island, tapos yung garlic aioli.
Open na tayo restaurant. Good. Very good.
Sobrang may extra crunch talaga. Actually, in fact, because of that parang extra crunch, pwede ka na gumawa sa rin yung potato chips sa bahay. Shape mo lang yung patatas ng ganun. The same procedure. Lagyan mo ng seasoning, salt and pepper. Kung medyo maarte ka, yung truffle salt na mahal na potato chips, you can duplicate it. Try it. So again, thank you for visiting me here at Kusina ni Mrs. O. I hope ulitin ninyo sa bahay ninyo, bistro cut French fries with 3 dipping sauces. Of course, you can make your own. So see you soon here at Kusina ni Mrs. O. Nagmamadali na tayo dahil kailangan na mag-shoot ng sunod na recipe. Bye!